Okay, you gave me a second Charge 6 link, and it's worth treating this as a neighboring listing because sometimes shows slightly different descriptions or bundles per SKU. The alternate Charge 6 listing emphasizes many of the same strengths: deep fitness and sleep analytics, integration with Google services, crisp display, and Fitbit's health tools, daily readiness, active zone minutes, heart monitoring. The page also highlights bundled content in certain offers, like a 6-month premium trial on eligible listings and the inclusion of S and L bands, tiny conveniences that mean you don't have to order extra bands right away. Because seller pricing varies by region and current promotions, I recommend checking the buy link in the description for the up-to-the-minute price. What reviewers consistently say across Charge 6 listings is that it's very solid for tracking runs and interval training when used with phone GPS, and many users love how the device nudges them toward better sleep and recovery habits. On the plus side, this listing reinforces the Charge 6 clear strengths: accuracy for workouts, dependable heart rate tracking, and an intuitive companion app. The smaller form factor means you'll wear it day and night without noticing, which is excellent for continuous HR and sleep tracking. On the downside, some power users complain about limited on-device apps compared to full smartwatches, and if you're trying to use the device as a standalone navigation or payment tool, remember that some features rely on phone connectivity or specific regional availability for Google Wallet or Maps on the band. The reviews skew positive for value and accuracy, but user threads do flag occasional software updates that temporarily change a feature's behavior. Nothing unusual in modern wearables, but something to be aware of. We share by links in description box. Check the link for the vendor price and any available deals.